Hello everyone. On June 2, 2023, a heartbreaking rail accident occurred in Balasore in Odisha. Two express passenger trains, the Coromandel Express and the Howrah Superfast Express, collided with each other, causing widespread destruction. According to the news reports, 261 people were killed and 650 were injured in this train crash. The concerned authorities have expressed that the death count continues to rise, and it could exceed to 300. This collision occurred near Bahanagar railway station. As we all know that, India has a vast railway system, and this crash has raised a question about the trains and passengers' safety. Part 1: The collision and outcome. At 7 p.m. in Balasore district, the Coromandel Express, en route from Kolkata to Chennai, collided with the Howrah Superfast Express, which was traveling from Bengaluru to Howrah. The collision caused a massive derailment, which led to the loss of lives and injuries to a significant number of passengers. Additionally, a cargo train was also involved in the accident on an adjoining track. The collision left a series of destruction, with overturned coaches and twisted train carriages. People who saw the accident live describe a scene of complete chaos and destruction at crash site. Part 2: Rescue and Relief Operations. After the accident, immediate actions were taken to rescue and provide relief to those who were affected. Local authorities, along with National Emergency Services, quickly sent ambulances, fire service units, and many volunteers to the crash site. The injured individuals were taken to nearby hospitals, where medical staff gave them urgent care. The authorities also organized blood donation campaigns to help the injured passengers and fulfill the increasing need for blood. As the rescue operations continued, more and more people were confirmed who lost their life in the accident. Initially, 261 deaths were reported, but the Chief Secretary of Odisha said that the number could go up to 300 or more as the search for victims continued. To show respect for the lives lost, the state declared a day of mourning and organized funeral and memorial events. Part 3: Investigation and Rail Safety. As the rescue operations kept going, the authorities started investigating to find out the reason behind this collision. The early reports suggest that some parts of the trains went off the tracks, but a more detailed investigation is necessary to fully understand what caused the accident. This accident shows that India's rail network is facing difficulties such as old infrastructure, problems with maintenance, and the importance of following safety rules more strictly. The investigation aims to gather important information that can help prevent similar tragedies from happening again in the future. Part 4: Government Initiative. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the site of crash, along with Union Ministers Ashwini Vaishnaw and Dharmendra Pradhan, to check out the situation and look after relief efforts. He spoke with local authorities and railway officials. PM Modi expressed sadness over the incident and assured that those who were responsible would be punished. He personally met the injured victims, providing them support and assurance. The Prime Minister contacted the Cabinet Secretary to ensure immediate assistance for the injured and their families. He emphasized the government's commitment to restoring the tracks and preventing future accidents. Part 5: Community Support and Rebuilding. In the wake of the Balasore rail accident, communities and individuals rallied together to provide support and aid to the affected families. Voluntary organizations, NGOs, and social activists played a crucial role in coordinating relief efforts, providing food, water, and essential supplies to those affected. Local hospitals and medical professionals worked tirelessly to treat the injured, while counseling services were made available to help survivors cope with the trauma. The incident has brought communities closer and highlighted the resilience and compassion of the Indian people. Conclusion. The Balasore rail accident stands as a stark reminder of the risks associated with an aging rail infrastructure and the need for continuous efforts to ensure passenger safety. As the investigation into the incident progresses, it is crucial to learn from the tragedy and implement necessary measures to prevent similar accidents. The focus now remains on providing support to the affected families, aiding the injured in their recovery, and implementing comprehensive rail safety measures across India. The resilience and solidarity demonstrated by the nation during this challenging time reinforce the spirit of unity and determination in the face of adversity. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.